Let's see what you'll say about this, Mr. Gross.
Where is everybody going, Dad?
I sent them to buy bread from the store with that sweet spaceship of theirs. Mr. Ramin will finally believe they come from space once he sees the spaceship land in front of his store.
What? Who's that? Yes, there are definitely people there. They seem to be hiding.
What? Did Mr. Ramin hide or did he get scared when he saw the spaceship?
Everybody might be in trouble. Let me talk to Super Mutlu, Father. Maybe he will help. I saw him just now. He was rescuing the world again.
Mr. Ramin is not hiding, it seems. He's still in front of the store. Mutlu? Mutlu? Where did you go off to?
The weather is perfect today. Mr. Mahmoud ordered roasted chickpeas. Let me go and take it to him. Ah, it got dark so quickly today. Are we going to get some rain?
Mr. Ramin! Mr. Ramin!
Wait, Neşe, I'm coming. I better take my umbrella. I think it's going to rain.
Wow! Please, brother, can we take a ride in it too?
I can't believe it. He doesn't see it.
Oh, what didn't he see, dear?
Mr. Ramin, he literally doesn't see the spaceship flying right over him.
Ah, Mr. Emin, of course. Is that Mutlu?
Super Mutlu has been summoned for his help once again. He's back on duty today. I'm coming, you guys. Fly!
Somewhere very far, Minnie, Nanny, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everywhere life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside you.